All right, let's go to Lynette in Baltimore.
Hi, Brad. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, thank you. I just have a quick question. My husband and I were married in 2019, and then we attempted. Well, I was supposed to file. I'm a U.S. citizen. My husband is from Nigeria, and so we were told to wait. Of course, in 2020, with all of the, Trump bans, and then because of COVID and job loss, we're finally filing now. But was curious about filing online. Does that expedite?
No, not
the
really.
process?
No, but go do it. It's fine.
Okay, and then secondly, there are some companies like, I know as an attorney you're going to frown on this, but Boundless and Citizens Path, are they worth it? Should we consider those or just file it online? I think I'm overthinking this process at this point.
I think you should do one of two things. Either if you feel confident that you can do it yourself, then do it. If otherwise, if you have doubts that whether you're doing it right or not, you should go to an attorney. It's my opinion. You shouldn't be going to non-lawyers. You shouldn't be going to, paralegals that fill out forms. Ultimately, there's a lack of responsibility by all of these people. There is a responsibility for an attorney. They're licensed. They want to keep their license. They went to law school to learn how to do this. So, to me, when you go to any of these places, it's buyer beware. This is your life, your husband's life.
Okay, and the last question, some folks say, overloaded with all this evidence. We have so much evidence. But, then some lawyers say it doesn't take all of that. I guess I'm just you
just have to file the forms. You bring all the evidence of the proof of the bona fides of the marriage to your interview.
Okay.
All right.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Right,
have a good night.
Okay.
Bye.
All right, let's go to Cynthia in the Bronx. Cynthia.
Hello?
Hi, Cynthia. How are you?
I'm fine. Brad, how are you?
Good. What's going on?
Sure. I've overstayed my B2, B-1, B-2 visa. What options do I have to get a green card?
All right. First of all, you got to shut off the whatever's in the background. Number one.
Okay.
I'll be happy to help you. Where are you from?
Yep. New York, Bronx.
No, originally.
Ghana.
Okay. And when did you come to the United States?
October 2019.
Okay. And you're single? You're married?
No.
That was one or the other. Single or married?
Single.
Boyfriend? Relationship with anybody?
Not yet.
Not yet. How old are you, if you don't mind if I ask?
44.
Okay. Do you have children?
Yes.
Where are they?
Ghana.
Okay. Your parents?
Ghana.
Okay. So you're here alone?
Yep.
Okay. Were you married in Ghana?
Yes.
Okay. Are you divorced from this man, or you're still married to him?
Divorce.
You're divorced from him. Where was the divorce? Yeah. In Ghana?
Ghana.
Okay. Do you know if this is a legitimate divorce?
Yes.
Because a lot of divorces that come from Africa, they turn out not to be good divorces. But you're positive this is a good divorce?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever been the victim of a crime?
What?
Have you ever been the victim of a crime?
No.
Have your parents ever applied for a green card ever in their lifetime?
No.
Never. Okay. I mean, short at this point, not knowing you more than I do, short of you getting married in a bona fide marriage, you don't really have many options. Because you've overstayed your time. And if you overstayed your time, the only way you can go home and come back is if you have a spouse or a parent here, which you don't have. The only way you can do any type of job sponsorship or investments or anything like that is to be, as an overstay, is to be 245I, which you're not, because you never had anything filed before. You have no family here who can assist you. And even if you want to get sponsored in a job, you can't, because you would go home 10 years to Ghana and be stuck. So the only option you have that I see at the moment, I mean, we could meet and maybe I can come up with more stuff, is just off the top of my head, would be, fall in love in a bona fide marriage.
Okay.
All right, but other than that, you don't really have options. at the moment.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right. Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Okay. Lisa in Manhattan. Lisa.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
All right. Good night. So I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
So I came here in '89, and I got myself in trouble. Anyway,
Do you have a green card
yeah, I have a green card.
from '89?
And
From 1989?
yeah, that's when I came
Okay.
here.
How old were you? How old were you when you came in 1989?
17, 18.
Was your mom or dad a citizen before you were 18?
No, she didn't become a citizen.
Okay. And
So-
what was the trouble?
Drugs.
When?
This was in '91.
What was it? Possession, sale? What are we
They say
talking
it was possession. They say it was possession.
Okay, possession of what?
Marijuana.
Okay, when you say they say, what did you plead guilty to? This is all that matters, is what you plead guilty to.
Well, I plead guilty to it because I got caught with
You
it.
pled guilty to possession of marijuana.
Yeah.
Are we talking about a joint, a bag, a garbage bag? What are we talking about?
No, just a bag.
Okay, so more than 30 grams, but not like pounds.
Exact.
Okay, is this your
think-
only
yeah.
arrest ever?
My only arrest ever. So this is what happened.
Okay.
I was facing a deportation. Went to deportation hearing, and basically I got let off. So,
So
the judge,
you won your case.
yeah, won my case. So basically,
did you file something? Does this sound familiar? 212C waiver.
that's what they gave me.
Okay, good.
That's what
Okay,
I got.
When was this?
This was a long time.
Okay.
Like
So why don't you do your
Yeah.
citizenship?
that's what I was calling to see if I
100%.
was.
Yeah. You are.
If okay,
Okay.
I'm just scared to go ahead and.
Let me tell you why. Okay, so you won't be scared anymore.
Okay.
Okay, number one, you have a waiver. So
Okay.
the waiver waives everything that happened in your life from the moment time started with Adam and Eve all the way up to the day the judge gives you a waiver, all is forgiven.
Oh.
Okay? Everything that happens after that waiver is not forgiven. All is forgiven
Okay.
before. So once you get a waiver, they can't put you back in deportation for the same thing again because it's already been forgiven. So even if you weren't eligible for citizenship, they can't do anything to you anyway. You got the waiver. Now, let me finish. Now, the next thing. So we know you're safe if you file for your citizenship. The next thing is, are you eligible for citizenship? Well, to become a citizen, you have to have 5 years good moral character. You just told me this is your only arrest, so you have 30 years good moral character. And you can't have any aggravated felonies after November 17th, 1990.
I was told nope.
You have a conviction for possession of marijuana, which under law, possession of marijuana is not an aggravated felony. It's a drug offense, but not an aggravated felony. I assume you pay your taxes. I assume everything else is okay. I assume you've been physically present in the United States for the last 5 years. You have an open and shut case. You got an open and shut case to become a citizen. Do it.
Okay, I'm going to see you then. I have to make an appointment.
Okay, Lisa. Hold on.
All right. Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.